we have an internal choice for this question number 9. So we will see the OR option for this. Explain an activity to draw magnetic field lines around a bar magnet using compass needle. So here again we have to explain one of the activity where we are going to show the formation of magnetic field lines around a bar magnet by using magnetic compass needle. So this is again a diagram from your NCERT book, even the notes. So let me explain these all the notes. Remember, whenever such type of question comes, write these all the answers in the points like this. Don't write it in a paragraph, because if you write it in a paragraph, it will be difficult to read for the supervisor or the evaluator. So try to write all the points or the answers in the form of points. So now see the answer. Take a small compass and a bar magnet. So here I have taken a bar magnet. Here this is South Pole, this is North Pole, and we have to take a compass. Magnetic compass needle consists of a small magnetic needle inside it like this. So it consists of a magnetic needle inside it. One end will be of south and one end will be of north. So compass is also consist of one small magnet. Then place a magnet on the sheet of white paper fixed on the drawing board using some adhesive material. So we have to take one white paper like this. Imagine this is a white paper, and on this white paper we have fixed this bar magnet. Then place the compass near north pole of the magnet. How does it behave? The south pole of the needle points towards the north pole of the magnet, and north pole will move away from the south pole of the bar magnet. So this is the compass needle which we have kept towards the north pole. Once we keep it towards the north pole, then south pole of the compass will be pointing towards the north pole of the bar magnet, and north pole of the compass will move away from the north pole of the bar magnet. So you can see this, because like pole will always repel and unlike will attract. This is north, this is south, both will attract. Therefore, this is towards the north pole of the bar magnet. Now, mark these both the ends, that is south as well as north of this compass. Both we have to mark it on this white paper. So, see here, place the compass needle, and then the north pole of the compass is directed away from the north pole of the magnet. Mark the position of two ends of the needle. So these both, south as well as north, both we have to mark. Now move the needle to the new position such that its south pole occupies the position previously occupied by north pole. So slowly move this needle to the next position and allow the south pole should occupy this north pole. Now see what happens. Slowly the magnetic compass needle will change its direction. Then mark the points, move to the next position, again mark the point, move to the next position, and like this we have to repeat the procedure. So see here, repeat the above procedure, draw as many lines you can. You will get a pattern as shown in the diagram. So once we move this magnetic compass like this to the new position, you will get some points. And these points, when you join, you will get a smooth curve like this. You can see I have used blue color for this. So like this you will get a line. Now change the position of the magnetic compass needle. Now let me keep it here. So like this we have to move the magnetic compass. Depending on the field strength, the needle will change its direction, and once you draw the line, here also you will get one curve like this. Repeat this procedure and you will get the lines like this. You can see these lines. Now the same procedure you have to repeat on the other side of the power magnet, and here also you will get the lines like this. And if you repeat this procedure on the same way, you are going to get the lines as shown in this diagram, which is again from your NCERT book. These lines are called as magnetic field lines, which are formed on the beside this bar magnet. So see here, observe the deflection in the compass needle as you move it along the field line. The deflection increases as the needle is moving towards the pole. So whenever the needle was towards the pole, the deflection was more, And whenever the needle was away from the poles, the deflection was less because the distance between the magnets was more. And this is the activity which explains the formation of magnetic field lines around the wire magnet by using compass needle. So this is the answer for this or option or the internal choice for question number 9. Now we will move with the next question.